If I disappear from the internet today, I will still wake up tomorrow with money hitting my account. Not because of luck, not because of crypto, and definitely not because of vibes. It's because I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 4 years, and in my very first year alone, my revenue was mouth-watering. Till today, it still pays me high every single month. So this video isn't theory, it's not motivation, it's not one of those just believe talks. This is me opening the door and showing you exactly what will be working in 2026. And I'll be honest with you, most people fail at affiliate marketing not because it doesn't work, but because they promote the wrong things, low payout, weak products, and programs that waste their effort. So today, I'm walking you through some of the strongest programs you can still join right now. What makes them powerful, where they struggle, and one of them can actually pay you up to $500 from a single sale. Yes, one sale. So stay with me to the end. Let's start with a name almost everybody already trusts, Pictory.ai. I'm sure you have heard of it before. I actually made a video about this a while back showing how I pulled in $25 in my first 1 hour of joining the program. That's when I knew the earning potential here was very serious. Back then, I personally used the service and it is nothing short of awesome. You keep earning as long as your referral keep renewing their plans. The video that I just slide in above will guide you through. So let's move on to the next one, which is also well known in the world of VPN, NordVPN. The reason it's converted so well is simple. People already understand what a VPN does. Privacy, security, accessing content, and different locations. I use it myself, especially when I'm traveling and want to access content that's locked to a specific country. There's almost no convincing needed. When a product solves a clear problem, selling becomes easy. Add to that the fact that they pay up to 40% commission, which is way higher than average. And you begin to see why this is a strong foundation program. Once you move beyond single brand programs, you enter the world of affiliate networks, and this is where things get interesting. Impact is one of my personal favorites. Not because it's easy to get into, but because once you are inside, it's like opening a vault. Big brands, global company, products in almost every niche you can think of. Adidas, Lenovo, StockX, Forbes. The dashboard is clean, beginner friendly, and honestly, one of the best design platforms out there. So the catch is they don't let everyone in. If you don't have some form of online presence, you may struggle at first, but if you can get approved, you are playing a completely different game. Now imagine combining tech and travel into one product. That's where eSIM platforms like Sally comes in. This is one of those products that quietly makes sense to almost everyone. Traveling without roaming charges, switching networks instantly, staying connected anywhere in the world. It is one of those why didn't I know these earlier tools. You don't need a big audience to promote it either. You can show how it works through simple videos, faceless content, or even just recommend it to friends and family who travel often. It's practical, easy to understand, and pays a solid commission without stress. Now there's Amazon, the giant, the first affiliate program most people hear about. And yes, it works, but let's be honest with ourselves. It's not built for freedom level income. The commissions are low, the cooking window is short, and unless you are moving in same volume, it's hard to scale. Amazon is great for learning the basic and getting your first commissions, but if your goal is real income, it shouldn't be where you stop. I started there too, and once I understand the game, I move on fast. If you like the idea of waking up to commissions from work you did weeks or months ago, then Partner Stack deserves your attention. This platform is packed with software companies, tools people pay for every single month. That means recurring commission. You promote once and the customer keeps paying and you keep earning. It's not flashy, but it compounds. Slowly at first, then all at once. That's how sustainable affiliate income is built. CJ Affiliate is another old giant in the game. It's been around forever and it is trusted. You get access to massive brands across retail, lifestyle, and services. The interface feels a bit outdated, I won't lie to you, but once you understand it, it works. This is one of those platforms that rewards patience and consistency. Now let's talk travel again, because travel content is exploding. Expedia is one of those programs that looks low paying on the surface until you do the math. 6% doesn't sound exciting until you realize people spend thousands on flights, hotels, and vacation packages. One booking can pay more than 10 small affiliate sales elsewhere. If you are creating travel content or even planning to, this can easily become your main income stream. For creatives, Adobe is a goldmine hiding in plain sight. People already love Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom. What most don't realize is how generous the affiliate structure is. High upfront commissions plus recurring payouts, and the best part is you don't even need to be a guru. Simple tutorials, basic walkthroughs, or showing how you use the tool is enough. Teach while you earn. Now let me save the most powerful one for last. This is where high-ticket affiliate marketing enters the chart. 8 Sleep, premium sleep technology, almost $3,000 per product, and they pay up to 10% commission. That means one sale can earn you like $300 to $500. Not 10 sales though, one. If you are in the health, wellness, or productivity space, this is the kind of product that changes your income ceiling. You don't need massive traffic, you need the right audience and the right message. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. Signing up for affiliate program is the easy part. The hard part is traffic, positioning, and strategy. If you are stuck promoting links with no results, or you are making sales but not enough to change your life, then the next video on your screen is what you need to watch. That's where I break down the real system pulling the internet traffic for top dogs in the industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for people that really need this. Whatever you do, never stop making money.